Hello everyone, my name is Renuka Abasai Bhadore. Today's topic on Java control statement. What is Java control statement? So let's see. Java compiler execute the code from top to bottom. The statement in the code are executed according to the order in which they appear. However, Java provides statements that can be used to control flow of Java code, such as uh, statement are called control flow statement. It is one of the fundamental features of Java which provide a smooth flow of programs. Java provides there are three types of control flow statements. Then first one is a decision making statements. Uh, so there one is a if statement, switch statements, and last one is a loop statements. And then do while loop, for each loop, uh, and next one is a jump statement. Jump statement is break statement, continue statement, decision making statements. As the name suggests, decision making statements uh, decide which statement to execute and when. Decision making statements evaluate the boolean expression and control the program flow depending upon the result of the condition provided. uh, there are two types of decision making statements in Java. For example, if statement and a switch statement. First one is a if statement. So let's see. Switch statement in Java. If statements are used to evaluate a condition, the control of the program is derived depending upon the specific condition, and the condition of the if statement gives a boolean values, either true or false. In there are four types of if statements given below. Pause for examples is a simple if statement, if statements, if else statements, if else if ladder, nested if statements. Let's understand the if statements one by one. First one is a simple if statement. It is the most basic statement among all control flow statements in Java. It evaluates boolean expressions and enable the program to enter a block of code if the expression evaluate to true. And next one is a if else statement. The if else statements is a extension to the if statements which uses another block of code. For example, else block. The else block is executed if the condition of the if block is evaluated as a false. Next one is a if else if ladder. The if else if statement contains the if statements followed by a multiple else if statement. In other word, we can say that it is the chain of if else statement that create a decision tree where the program maybe enter in the block of code where the condition is true. We can also define an else statement and it at the end of the chain. Next one is a nested if statement. In a nested if statement, uh, the if statement can contain a if or if else statement inside another if or else if. Next one is a switch statements. In Java, switch statements are similar to if else if statement. The switch statement contains multiples block of code called as cases, and a single case is executed based on the variables which the which is being switched. The switch statements is easier to use instead of if else if statements. It's also enhance the readability of the program. That's all about a control statement. Thank you for watching this video.